The common raven wraps itself in mystery. It is a bird of inscrutable ways and scary shamanistic practices beyond our understanding. Part of the raven's mystique is its recovery in North America in recent decades from rarity and obscurity. It is present thinly now, in the Old World and the New, locally common but nowhere abundant, cloistered in hideouts and holdouts, ignoring human civilization more than avoiding it. The croaking yodel sounds once again in our landscape, a gladness in our lives. Mystery and occult ritual call to us, as does a sense of humor. There's no particular reason for a raven to harass a red-tailed hawk other than for the fun of it. No evident gain beyond recreation. Then there's the ability to fly, an envy that causes some humans to flip and loop small airplanes, though bound to motors and metal to know that thrill. This sole raven chuckled overhead, then executed a precision routine of aerobatics. We can slow it down to watch, something akin to a spinning reverse, a dive to build up speed for a vertical climb with a snap roller over the top. Why? Well, why not?